pray you can help me. Have you, by chance, seen any limbs of wood on this beach? Like this one?
Can't say that I have. Why do you ask?
It's strange, but I'm not sure. I awoke in a daze, clutching this wooden arm. As the fog lifted, I was bathed in a blue light, and I heard familiar voices, but I couldn't place them. All I know is that I must recover the other limbs. Aha! I found one! No, wait. Ah, damn. It's just flotsam. Or is it jetsam? In either case, my mistake. Odd. I'd swear I've combed this area. No! We must find them!
But why?
I don't know.
Old man, look here.
I am not your cup of tea. This is the last sword I forged for you.
I'm afraid your contract has not yet expired, blacksmith.
That was... Please, bring me the arm. You heard it too, didn't you? That man. It was me, long ago. Of the other voice, I cannot say, though it fills me with dread. I recognize this path, as though I traveled it not long ago. Come, let us see where it leads. This way!
I see everything!
Ah, that scoundrel has the wooden leg. Perhaps he'll take pity on an old man. You there? Kindly give me that wooden leg, and we'll be on our way without trouble.
You again?
Again?
How many times must I run you through, you cursed bag of bones?
Bag of bones? I'll have you know I was a fighter in my day, you dishonorable sea dog. Have at you.
Drink up,
Thank you. Years have robbed me of the strength I once possessed. A lesson my mouth has yet to learn. You're quite the fighter. You remind me of me when my skin wasn't loose as a windless sail. They seem to know me. But how? No matter. The leg, if you would.
Very well, blacksmith. You may go, but the boy stays.
That was never part of the deal.
Go on then. Try to stop me. Father!
Nico! Quickly, bring me the leg. No curse could make me forget that voice. This is no puppet. This is my son, my Nico. Don't you see? Something terrible has happened to him. This way. Yes, I remember it now, as though it were yesterday. We're getting closer.
I don't do warning shots.
You amuse me, blacksmith.
Damn you, Viscetta! We are not your playthings!
But I fear that's precisely what we became. Now, the leg, traveler. Give it here if you would. I was a blacksmith for coiled Queen Viscetta. How I entered into service for such a vile creature, I cannot say. But she used my weapons to commit great evils, until one day, I could take it no longer. Let's keep moving. I tried to escape with my son, but she caught us. She cursed my boy and imprisoned his heart in wood, turning him into a puppet so that he could never escape. Of my own punishment, I know not. But perhaps Nico's fate was the price we both paid. This is familiar somehow.
Do you remember this, old man?
I'm sorry to say that I do. That is where coiled Queen Viscetta has made her lair. I feel as though I've stood in this very spot many times.
If you've been here before, then why haven't you freed your son?
That, I don't know. But perhaps with your help, we will succeed where I have failed. Long was this great beast enslaved to Viscetta, though it yet lived. Now it rots. Gods, the stench. What has happened here?
The ocean got, blown up.
Truly? Can't you see what this means? The Queen will be weakened. Perhaps we have some chance of defeating her after all. We must keep going.
Death is just a new beginning. Explode!
Oh, missed my sword.
Let us find the next piece of my son. Where is he? What have you done with him?
Around and around, year by year, and I cut you down again. You broke your bow, blacksmith. No matter how hard you try, you will never pick up the pieces.
This time will be different, thanks to you, my friend. Bring it here. Come on. Whatever sorcery this may be, I will never stop trying to rescue my Nico. I'm coming, son. Hold on.
Life for death.
Well done, me lovely. Unstoppable.
I've been here before. There's his head, but it stirs memories of death. It's one of Viscetta's traps, I think.
I'll get the head, old man.
Bless you.
You're not that tired old fool of a blacksmith. Who are you to trespass in my domain?
Viscetta! This ends now! Give me the boy and we'll go!
Ha you fool! 40 years we've played this game. I thought with time you'd forget him, as you've forgotten all the others.
I will never forget him.
Every time you come, you fail. And I return you to the beach, broken and another year notched. Will you waste the rest of your life in this vain pursuit, blacksmith?
It's different this time. I am no longer alone. No!
As for you, trespasser, ally of a broken fool, now you will serve me, as he once did, as his son still does.
Feels like slipping away.
Energy's empty! What am I feeding you? Forgotten before they hit the ground.
Is it over?
It's done. Can you stand?
I cannot. But Viscetta is dead. That's what matters. Now, the boy, restore him, please.
Father!
My son. At last, my son. Oh, I'm sorry it took me so long. But I am glad to see you one last time.
Father? Father! No. Who are you?
A friend of his.
Then you are mine as well. For I have no one left, now that he's gone.
He spent his life trying to save yours. So honor that, yeah? Now we've got to find a way out of here.
You can leave this place through there. Thank you for all you've done.
You coming?
I'll stay a moment longer, if that's all right. Other than my dreams, I haven't seen his face in so many years. I have spent my entire life a prisoner, but thanks to you, I'm free. There are others like myself, prisoners of tyrants like Queen Viscetta. I will light my own forge and make weapons, like my father before me. And I will dedicate my life to freeing them. Now please, I need to be alone.